Hello everyone, and welcome back. Absolutely beautiful day today. It's supposed to get up to I think 62 degrees with hardly any wind. So it's a good day to, you guys watched the video before where we tore this down, and now I've got this pile. Some of the boards I want to save, and the rest of this log stuff I want to cut up, but you can see that it's got tons of screws in it and nails. And I was just over with my dad in the workshop yesterday sharpening up the chainsaw blades before I came up here. I do have another blade, but I figure I'll probably hit a nail somewhere in here, but no reason to just throw this in a pile and burn it. I might as well cut it into some sort of firewood and it'll burn in a stove or campfire, whatever we do. Just trying to get this cleaned up. Like I said, the boards themselves, the ones that don't have like a million nails in them and screws, I'm going to try to save. They don't look like much here. They're grayed, they're kind of rotted, they kind of have some cracks in them. Some of them do anyway. And for a lot of things you couldn't use those boards, but for something like this is something that Melissa saw online and asked me if I could build one, and I did. But if you did this with just fresh pine boards and not these are actually grayed boards that came when we remodeled or started the remodel on the Louisiana house after the flood when we were ripping it apart. These are some of the boards that were in the wall, but still they're grayed and they have that rustic look, and those boards outside do also, so I definitely want to save some of those. So I'm going to keep chipping away at this pile and eventually it'll be gone. Well, for this area right here, I think that's about it for today. Everything that I've got here is just stuff I want to burn, and you got to be real careful this time of year. I mean, I purchased a year-long burning permit, but even, you know, I'm not going to torch this stuff because this time of year they haven't done the statewide burning ban yet, but soon they will because everything is so dry. One spark from that fire that gets into that tall dead grass and you got a mess on your hands. So I've kept the fire real small today. I'm just going to kind of let it go out here because the wind has picked up just a little bit. Tomorrow is supposed to be warmer than today and quite breezy tomorrow, so there's no way I would try to burn tomorrow. I definitely put a dent in the mess though. It's looking better. Over here there's a pile of old pallets also. At one time the workshop barn I call it, that was a cabinet shop at one time. And there's a lot of pallets in all this stuff, so I imagine that they had pallets with the stuff that they used to either build the cabinets or shipping the cabinets or whatever. So I actually took one of these boards off. And these here are oak, and they're the full 1 and a full 4 inches. It took me about 3 minutes to pull it and get the nails out, and then that would be ready to run through the planer. So it's worth it to save these because they're straight, and you know, a 1x4 piece of oak is gonna, whatever, I bet you it cost you $10 at least to buy one. So 3 minutes of time, that's a good savings of money. I had planned on working some more on this today. It's a beautiful day. It's 72 degrees right now. That's the warmest it's been. I don't know, since probably September, beginning of October of last year. And I even had a second video going yesterday. I was cooking up a pork roast, doing it the indirect method on the grill and using some smoke chips. And I had no idea, Melissa did, but Zachary and Samantha were coming up today to surprise me, bringing back the Argo. So I was going to finish filming that video because I did it for like 6 hours in the grill and then put it in the roaster and finished it up today. And I completely forgot about it. It was too exciting. We got this here and Zach and I went out and took it for a spin. And everything got screwed up. So here I am in the evening of the following day here. The six-wheeler's here. I moved some stuff out of the way in this building, and I'm going to back the six-wheeler in here so Melissa can still get her work vehicle in that garage that's closer to the house. In about 2 weeks here, Melissa has 2 nooks, is that what it's called, coming? Anyway, bees for 2 hives. So we need to get these set up within the next 2 weeks here, because she's going to try to do, she calls them Yankee bees this time. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.